Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video on how you can log in or sign in into your PayPal account. So in order to log in or sign in into your PayPal account, first thing you need to install the application. For that, open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in PayPal. Once you type in PayPal, you'll be taken to the page where you need to click on install. So it will take some time, so you need to wait patiently. After installing the application, open it up. As you open up PayPal application, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then you'll be able to see two different options, that is login or sign up. And want to create a new account for PayPal, then click on sign up, and then you'll be taken to the enrollment page where you need to provide your information and you'll be able to create an account on PayPal. And if you already have an account, click on login, which is in the bottom left corner. Once you click on login, next interface will be asked to enter in the email address and a password associated with your PayPal account. Once you're done entering your email address and a password, click on login, and after that you'll be asked to verify it whether you're a human or a robot. So you need to solve some kind of puzzle and then you'll be taken to the home page and you've successfully logged into your account. If you're unable to log in into your account because of your incorrect login credential, then you can click on this option that is forgot password, or else if you have used phone number instead of email, then you need to tap on this option that is phone number instead. Once you do this, you'll need to enter in the phone number. So in this way, you can log in into your PayPal account on your mobile phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.